Welcome to SHREE RSC classes. So today we will learn how we can convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So the rule is very simple. First of all, we have to see what is the numerator and what is the denominator in the fraction. So as we can see, this is the top number. That's why it's a numerator and 4 is the denominator. So according to the rule, what we have to do here, we have to divide this top number, that is 37, by 4, which is the bottom number, or you can say denominator. So divide numerator by denominator. Now let's see how many 4s can go into that 37. And we know there are 9 4s that can go into this 37. So 4 times 9 is 36, and then we will subtract, and then it will be 1, which is our remainder. Now, according to the rule, we just have to write it in the mixed fraction form, and the form looks like this. So, at the place of the whole number, your quotient will come. At the top number, your remainder will come, and your denominator will stays the same. And in this case, that is your divisor. So you know that this 4 is the divisor, this 37 is your dividend, this 4 is your quotient, this is 9 is your quotient, and this 1 is your remainder. So what you just need to do, just need to put the values here. So quotient is 9, remainder is 1, and divisor is 4. Basically, you can see that denominator stays the same. So 9 whole, 1 out of 4 is your mixed fraction. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.